Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set password for your Kindle Scribe. So guys, first of all, you can see over here at the bottom, we have different options available. Okay, so you select this option of more. Okay, so once you select it, you will see a new window, and here you see this option of settings. Okay, so just select it. So once you select this settings option, here you see this option of device options. Okay, you see this one. So just select it. So once you select it, here you see the number fourth option over here. It says device passcode. Okay, so just select it. So once you select it, it will open a new window for you, and here it is asking you to enter passcode. So basically you have to set a new passcode over here. Okay, so the passcode must not be series of number and must not be repeating numbers. So you can set any password that you want. So for example, I set this password 2580. Okay, and then again the second option over here, it says confirm passcode. So you just select it again, just select the same number 2580, and then you press OK. Okay, so now the passcode has been set. Okay, so what you can do is now you can just go back. Okay, and then here you see this power button. Okay, on this Kindle. Okay, just press it. Okay, so once you press it, it will lock your screen. Okay, it will be like this, and then again if I press this button over here, okay, it will turn on the screen, and first it will ask me the password. So here I will type the password 2580, then I press this enter button. So now the Kindle is open, I can access everything. Okay, so you can see I can open library, I can open the notebooks. Okay, so everything is accessible. So this is how you can set the password for Kindle Scribe. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.